Retractable extension cords prevent clutter, enhance safety, provide convenient reach, and are ideal for home, office, or outdoor use. My today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that's are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Flexzilla Retractable Extension Cord. The Flexzilla Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a versatile and reliable solution for both home and workshop use. Equipped with a power indicator light and a lighted triple tap outlet, it provides ample capacity while keeping users informed of active power. Its built-in circuit breaker with reset button safeguards against tripped breakers and blown fuses, allowing quick restoration of power without hassle. The oil-resistant 14/3 AWG stow cord is exceptionally durable, remaining flexible even in low temperatures and resisting damage from oil, water, and sunlight, ensuring long-term performance. The grounded plug with a 5 feet lead-in cord adds safety and convenience. The adjustable cord stopper allows precise length control, locking the cord at 1 foot increments to keep outlets within easy reach. A swivel mounting bracket enables pivoting in the direction of work, and the reel can be securely mounted on walls or ceilings. Rated for dry, indoor locations with 1625W, 13A, 125V, and 60 Hz, this CU listed reel combines safety, convenience, and durability in a compact, practical design. Now our second product is Giraffe Retractable Extension Cord. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Power Cord Reel is a robust and highly functional solution for both professional and home environments. Built with a hard-impact polypropylene enclosed spring-driven case and premium commercial 3C stow cables, it resists acids, alkalis, ozone, water, oil, and kinking, while remaining operable in extreme temperatures from -58°F to 221°F, -50°C to 105°C. Its durable design incorporates slow retraction technology and an auto-guide system, ensuring orderly rewind and preventing cord damage. The improved ratcheting mechanism locks the cord at any desired length, while the adjustable cable stopper safeguards the connector during retraction. A unique built-in circuit breaker automatically protects against overloads or short circuits, with manual override for convenience. Featuring a lighted triple tap outlet, this reel provides easy access in day or night settings, perfect for DIY, industrial, or garage use. The 180° swivel bracket allows wall or ceiling mounting, keeping cables safely out of the way. Backed by a 24-month warranty and responsive customer service, it offers reliable performance, safety, and long-lasting convenience. Our third product is Link 2 Home Retractable Extension Cord. The 60 feet heavy-duty retractable power cord reel offers exceptional convenience, safety, and durability for both home and professional use. Its tangle-free cord management system allows the extension cord to neatly wind into the reel with a sturdy, easy grip handle, keeping cables organized and ready for the next use. Built-in circuit breaker with overload protection ensures safety by automatically shutting off power when current or voltage exceeds safe limits, protecting both connected devices and the reel itself. Equipped with 4 grounded 120V outlets and a durable 14 AWG SJTW cable, this reel can handle a wide range of power equipment, including drills, table saws, work lights, lawn mowers, and snowblowers, making it ideal for garages, workshops, backyards, or warehouses. Its compact, 4-handle design ensures easy transport and storage, while the cord locking system maintains desired cable length during operation. CSA certified and featuring an on-OFF switch with power indicator light, this high-visibility outdoor extension cord comes with a 3-year warranty, combining safety, portability, and reliable heavy-duty performance in one efficient package. Now number 4, ReelWorks Extension Cord. The ReelWorks 65-foot retractable extension cord reel is a professional-grade solution designed for durability, safety, and convenience. Featuring a 12 AWG x 65-foot 3C/SJT cord with a grounded triple tap, S3, connector, it is rated at 15A, 125V, 1875W, 60 Hz, and CT listed for quality assurance. The premium commercial SJT cable is highly resistant to acids, alkalis, ozone, and kinking, remaining flexible even in extreme temperatures ranging from -58°F to 221°F, -50°C to 105°C. The reel's design incorporates a NEMA 5-15 or divided by 5-15 P3 prong plug, a lighted tap for easy visibility, a 36-inch lead-in cord, adjustable cable stopper, and 2 non-snag rollers to minimize abrasion. A built-in circuit breaker ensures protection for both the reel and operator, providing reliable safety during heavy-duty use. Constructed with a hard-impact polypropylene enclosed spring-driven case, the reel employs improved double-adjustment ratcheting that locks the cord at any desired length. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor environments, day or night, it streamlines cord storage while enhancing workplace safety for DIY or industrial applications. And our last choice is Kakaynill Retractable Extension Cord. The Kakaynill 17-in-1 Tower Power Strip is an innovative, space-saving solution designed for modern workspaces and homes. Its vertical tower design, combined with a 6-foot retractable flat cord, maximizes usable space while minimizing clutter. The ultra-slim 0.35-inch plug and 45-degree angled design fit effortlessly behind furniture, desks, or appliances, while the retractable base allows the cord to be neatly stored or extended as needed. This power tower accommodates 9 AC devices, spaced 1.5 inches apart to fit bulky adapters, alongside 8 USB ports, 4 USB-C and 4 USB-A, supporting fast charging up to 4.8A total. With a 1875W/15A circuit breaker, it safely powers high-wattage devices like laptops, mini fridges, and printers. Industrial-grade protection includes 1080J surge absorption, overload prevention, a fire-resistant ABS shell, and individual outlet switches to cut power instantly. The flat plug and 6-foot extension cord make installation in tight spaces effortless. UL/FCC certified and backed by responsive 24/7 customer support, this tower combines convenience, safety, and efficiency, making it ideal for home, office, or dormitory environments. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.